what's going on, people? So, been a couple weeks, and yeah, just seeing where the focus is at and where I've been. 'Cause I haven't been uploading or really doing anything to the car. Mainly just been enjoying it, driving it, that type of stuff. Nothing crazy, and just kind of taking my time. I'm kind of like at a crossroad of where I don't know what else to do. Like power wise, because it's still on a stock block and I'm pretty much maxed it out on the stock block. I do have motor mounts coming in, so passenger and driver side, so that's something cool. I'm going to be doing those. I would think I went with AWE and I went with the street mounts, so there's that. As far as the next thing I've ordered for this car, and a lot of these parts are going to take a bit to come in, I ordered a custom, I think it's 1 of 10 prototype intake headlight from the man who started Clayton Performance. So I got that coming in, and it's got the little RGB halos in it. It's going to be dope. So I got that coming on the way. What else do I have? That's about it for like modifications. Oh, I blew up my front lip, so I have one of those coming in the mail. Yeah, just to pieces. And I don't even know, like, I mean, I blew the front bumper up. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth even salvaging a lot of this bumper or if I should just get a new bumper all around, because yeah, that thing's cooked. I still have my 3-piece wheels. I haven't done anything with them. I think I'm going to keep them and just polish them and swap out the hardware for chrome, so it'll be chrome hardware, and then swap this gel sticker out for a white one with a gold emblem, and then we'll rock those here and there on this car. But I still got to finish like some paint work. Obviously, the rear brakes need to be swapped color-wise. And then, yeah, I mean, the turbo paint, people were asking how the turbo paint was holding up. Honestly, like, very well. I've had no issues with the turbo paint. Yes, I know, people have been fucking screaming at me to get a better, like, intake or air filter. I know, guys, I know. I don't know which one to get. I'm working with no room here at all. I was thinking about when I get the intake headlight, I run like a 90 here with a pipe and a filter, and it would sit like, yeah, I don't even know where it would sit, because like, look, I got no room here. It would have to be like down, it would have to be something custom, because there's just no room, especially with the air coming in here now. So there's just a lot of like planning when it comes to that. And I know I've been roasted for my shift plate. Guys, I know, dude, I'll get a better cob. I know cob has been frowned upon, so I know I'll do better, I promise. But yeah, other than that, interior is still the same. I got my fusion knob from eBay, and I got roasted for it. Man, you guys are some dicks. For real. You guys are crazy mean. I love it though. It's staying on the car. But other than that, we're pretty much set. I've been having some crankcase pressure codes come in, and I think my catch can is either full or about to be full, or it's clogged. I don't know, so I got to pull that off. But that's pretty much it with the car. Just some updates and just waiting for parts is like the main thing. Is like, I just don't have the parts. So I'm at the whim of, companies. So yeah, just waiting on that. But other than that, the car's been great. I have no complaints, And yeah, I'll probably just insert some footage of like the T51R mod and stuff like that in the background after I'm done talking. But yeah, I'll do a video on the custom intake headlight, the motor mounts, and then yeah, that's about it. I don't know if you guys would be interested in me. I have a headlight fault code. So somewhere in this mess, I have to dig around and find what's going on, because everything and my fog lights don't work. My fog lights do not work. So if I can't narrow down anything, I'll just pull out the fog lights and make a duct. But I'm gonna try to figure it out first. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. So I'll insert some footage, and yeah, we will. Thought I saw something over here. Yeah, other than that, I know I'll get a new filter. But yeah, I'll insert some footage and we'll go from there. I'll make an update when I get all those parts in. Because as of right now, lip, intake headlight, and motor mounts. Because these motor mounts are shot. I mean, they're not like super, super bad, but like, you know, they're starting to, I don't know if you can see it, crack pretty bad. So I'm going to pull that off. But yeah, other than that, that's the update. Enjoy some fucking sound clips, and yeah, we'll get back to it.